Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here I wanted to share this for a long time. This is from Beanly, and these are dip coffee bags as well as pour over bags. So this one is pour over, and here is how you make it. So this one, I'm sure you know that this is quite popular nowadays, Vietnamese sweet cream. And then this is the one that is dip coffee, 100% Arabica. And if you like strong coffee, this is what you should get. And then this is classic, and these are all the other options that you can get. But this one is really good, and I really recommend this one because I was happy with the results. Like when I tried this, I felt this one, especially the dark one, it was refreshing. Like if you want the your strong cup of coffee in the morning and you're used to something which is strong, and if you try this, you'll feel the same punch. So yeah, I'll make one and I'll show it to you now. So here's the coffee. This is dark roast and nitro flushed. Now we'll just pour water and that will be ready. So the coffee is ready.